When using Nair Hair Removal, it's important to follow the instructions provided on the packaging. Here's a general guide on how to use Nair Hair Removal effectively. Begin by carefully reading the instructions provided with the Nair Hair Removal product you have. Each product may have specific directions and precautions. Before applying Nair Hair Removal to a larger area, perform a patch test on a small area of your skin. Apply a small amount of the product and wait for the recommended time. If you experience any irritation or discomfort, do not proceed with the full application. Clean and dry the area where you plan to use Nair Hair Removal. Ensure your skin is free from lotions, oils, or any other products. Use the provided applicator or your hand to apply an even layer of Nair Hair Removal cream or lotion to the area you want to remove hair from. Ensure all the hair you want to remove is covered with the product. Do not rub it in, just smooth it on. Check the instructions to determine the recommended time to leave the product on your skin. It's essential to follow the timing guidelines provided, as leaving it on for too long can cause irritation. After the recommended time has passed, test a small area using the back of the spatula or a damp washcloth. If the hair comes off easily, you can proceed. If not, you may need to leave the product on for a bit longer. Once you're ready, gently wipe off the product using the spatula or a damp washcloth. Rinse the area thoroughly with lukewarm water to ensure all residue is removed. Avoid excessive rubbing or harsh scrubbing. After hair removal, pat the area dry and avoid applying any products that could irritate the skin, such as perfumes or harsh chemicals. Moisturize the skin with a gentle, fragrance-free lotion to help soothe and hydrate the area. Remember, individual results may vary, and it's always a good idea to perform a patch test and follow the instructions specific to the Nair Hair Removal product you're using. If you experience any adverse reactions or have any concerns, it's recommended to discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching.